If you have a smartphone and access to the internet, as a matter of fact, you can start making money from real estate today. Not minding whether you have land, no capital, and even without a prior experience. And please, I want you to pay attention, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break this down in a very simple way so you understand exactly how this works and how you can actually get started immediately. Here is what I will quickly walk you through as far as this is concerned. Number one, why you don't need money to start in real estate. Number two, I'm going to be talking about how people are already earning using just their phones. And number three, the simple systems we have actually created to help beginners start and then grow. So let's get started with this. Point number one, you don't need capital. I've said this times and times again. Now, the biggest misconception about real estate is that you need millions to actually get started. That's not true. Yes, owning property requires capital, but making money from real estate does not always require you to own whatever, own the land or whatever. I've been there, and I've talked about how I got started when I lost virtually everything I ever had. So I'm speaking based on experience here. There is a part of this business called real estate marketing, where your role is simply to connect buyers to genuine properties. And when a transaction happens, you earn a commission. So instead of waiting to have millions for you to buy land and start selling, you can start by positioning yourself as a marketer. That's number one. Point number two, your phone is actually your business tool. Take it or you leave it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Everything you need to start is already in your hands. With your phone, you can actually create simple content, talk to potential buyers, promote properties you have online, and in the course of this, build trust with your audience. Right now, people are actually closing real estate deals through WhatsApp platforms, Facebook, and Instagram. So the same device you use to scroll through people's posts, to watch and comment on other people's posts, can become your income generating tool. If you use it intentionally, mark my words, if you use it intentionally. Point number three, the system that makes it work. But let me be very honest with you. Just having a phone is not enough. What makes the difference is having the right system and guidance. That's why we have created a structured platform where you are trained step by step. You are given access to verified properties. You are guided on how to market and close deals. So you're not guessing your way through. You are simply following a proven process. So if you have been looking for a way to start something meaningful, so you can start earning income and position yourself in the real estate space, this could be your starting point. You don't have, or rather you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to be willing to learn and take actions. If this resonates with you, then I need you to do something. Send a WhatsApp message right now to 0803-8314-993. And I bet someone will guide you on how to get started step by step. Remember, your smartphone might just be the tool that changes your financial story. I'll see you soon.